My name is Space. And my name is Sky. Ooh, look, food. Cool. Move over already, Space. Just
Stop.
move. Move more. I need that food. Oh, whatever. Let's just eat more food. Someone help me. Help me. I'm on the floor. Help me, someone. Cheap. I'm up again. Sorry I pushed you. Well, I have more food here now. All by myself. What? Happy Cheapa's playing on the field of floors.
What? What's a field of floors?
This floor.
What do you mean?
Well, I'm going. This place
Me
is
too.
dangerous.
I'm going.
I'm bored.
Me too. The sun is on me.
Stop. Stop freaking out. Hey,
I'm
now
going.
the sun is on me. You're my shade. You had to come back.
No.
Well,
Ooh, what's this?
where do I go? Where are you, Space?
I won't tell you.
What are you finding?
What is this thing? Yummy. This is so yummy. I could chew on it all day. Can you figure something out here?
Where are you, Space? Like, seriously. I'm gonna go find him. Like, should I? Yes, I'm gonna go. Let's go, smart birdie. There you are, Space.
I'm relaxing.
Now I have to climb. Now how do we get up there? Because we have to taste every single part. Because it's so yummy.
I'm coming.
I'm going upper than you. You're so bad at climbing. Na 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 na.
Hey, stop! I'm a birdie genius.
No. Well, you don't talk as much as me.
Yeah, 'cause you're just a white birdie.
No, everyone calls me pretty.
I'm pretty too.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Let's just eat this food. This is so yummy.
How do you even get up here?
Just use your beak and feet and climb. Beak,
What?
beak, beak, beak.
I don't know.
Yum, yum, yum. Yum. This is too yummy. I'm going to keep on eating this. Hey, how did you get up here? Hey, I'm going to push you down. Hey, why you sneak?
I'm
I'm not
smart,
gonna
buddy.
let
I told you. I'm smart,
Fine, I'll just leave you alone. Bye. I'm just going to climb.
This is so yummy. What is
Oh, no.
this?
Where do I go? I don't know where to go.
I think, is this fake?
No, it's not fake, okay? Whatever if it's fake, well, we just need to eat it, right? It's so yum.
It's too yummy. I can't stop eating it. Do you feel like we should go now?
No, let's keep on exploring.
Hey, stop! Stop! Stop trying to push me. Okay, let me keep on going.
Now where do I go? I'm upside down. Help me.
I will never help you. Phew. This is all good.
Sorry that I was being mean to you. Well, I'm just going to climb higher.
Okay, I'm gonna stay here. It's so relaxing. Yummy. It smells like coconuts. I don't know what a coconut is.
Okay, I need to find a better spot than Space and higher because I like high. Yes. Oh no, now where do I go? Why does this have to be so complicated? Leaf climbing.
It's not called leaf climbing. By the way, I'm smart birdie.
No, you're not. Well, look how high I am.
I'll prove it to you. Just wait.
Okay, you're gonna take forever.
I won't. Look. I'm coming, and I'm smart birdie.
No, we're both smart birdies.
No,
remember?
I'm smart. Subscribe to the channel, and I won't be scared.
Don't forget to like and share.
Don't like and share.
Don't listen to that smart pants.
We are birdies and we'll see you
See you
all in the next one.
Bye.
Bye. Let's